Each community maintains distinctive patterns, identifiable by their specific color combinations and motifs, creating cultural identity through artistic expression. At Cruz del Condor viewpoint, we witness nature's supreme aerial masters. Andean condors riding morning thermals that rise from the canyon depths, with wingspans exceeding 3 meters. These magnificent birds represent both biological marvels and sacred symbols in Andean cosmology, connecting the earthly and celestial realms as they soar effortlessly along vertical rock faces. These magnificent birds demonstrate perfect adaptation to the vertical Andean environment